So the question here is how you can best use our I mean, whatever WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups and also the YouTube. So for the WhatsApp groups, we have two groups. That is, one is the Vision MRCPCH and Mission MRCPCH. But I allow people to stay only in one group, because for me, whatever I post in two groups, both the groups. I don't want overlapping, because WhatsApp, we have only, it allows only, I think, 257 or 275 recently changed members only. So I don't want people to overlap in the two groups. But most of the things what I post in the WhatsApp groups, I also post in my Facebook group. So it doesn't matter. But sometimes many people post in my WhatsApp groups, which if you are only in Facebook group, you will miss. Like, for example, someone finished the exam, he will post his exam cases. Or someone has any doubts, he will post, and most of them will answer. Maybe if it was your doubt also, it will get clarified. Okay, so in that way, the many things which happen in the WhatsApp group, which will not, everything will not happen in the Facebook group. Facebook group is only what I post, no one else posts there. But in the WhatsApp group, I have not made this. Many make like this, only the admins can post. This I have not done, because I want people, if they have any doubt, to post here, and whoever is free can answer them and they can learn. This is the sole purpose of making these two groups, is to make people learn and achieve best from our groups. Okay, so, and there is one condition which any one of you, I know most of you will refer your friends to join the group if they are not in my groups. So if you tell them, please also tell them that to join my group. I am not, because there are some in other groups, I see people posting some unnecessary things, like we give you you can get your degree free. I mean, without any efforts, just give us so much and so much dollars or something, or money, we will get you the degree. Like this, contact us personally. Such nonsense people should not join our groups and should not trouble us. This is the reason my links are not open, especially for the WhatsApp groups. Nowhere it is open, the link. If anyone wants to join, should communicate with me. And also the condition is they should send me something as a proof that they are preparing for clinical MRCPCH, like maybe AKP, or they have applied for an exam, or they got a seat for the exam. But if you accept your name, all your information you can scratch, just to confirm that it is you only. Okay, because I do this, no one till date, mashallah, till date no one has posted anything unnecessary in my group. Okay, so this is the reason. If you refer anyone to my group, also tell them to please post me something as a proof. And also one more thing I tell to all the people, once you pass out, you have to give me some feedback. For it is not for my sake, mashallah, I passed the exam and I am out of this exam now. It is for the sake of people who are up to take exam. Okay, this much of conditions I have. Just they should send some AKP or something, and they should be ready to give us some feedback. Maybe if we request them by personally, they can give oral feedback, or due to time factor, everyone is busy, we cannot conduct a meeting, they can give us a written, short and sweet written feedback about something which they felt important, which they want to convey the others to pass this exam. Okay, these are the rules for our joining our group. Next, about the YouTube channel, how best you can use. See, what I want to tell you is, most of the time I post anything in the YouTube, I also post in my WhatsApp group and also in the Facebook group. But sometimes, now I will do it from October, inshallah. I may post some things as surprise. Okay, this is just to make people interested and learn. You see, I can post all the videos in the group and see and leave. You will not know what to read, what to study. If we post like telling that this is an history station posted, whoever is interested will show the interest, and if we give the time constraint, they will try to do it. The purpose for this is to make you study. If you are restricted, you will study. See, today I wanted to conduct meeting. I took a book and studied something. Suppose if I did not wanted to conduct meeting, I wouldn't have studied this. This is what I want to convey the message. Why I don't post all the things and leave in the YouTube. If we give you some time, you will make an effort to cover the topic. If we don't give a time and leave it free, most of you will not cover the topic. This is one of the reason. And to be honest with you, I did not had any idea of doing this YouTube or anything. I don't know, somehow I recorded the meetings when I was doing meetings. I recorded it, and most of them, they felt that it is beneficial for them. So I thought as an help, I should do it. Nothing behind it. I am not I did not had an idea of this YouTube channel or anything. I just did it, I don't know, to help people. That's it. So the reason to restrict the videos is if the time is restricted, you people watch and work out on it. And if we keep some competitions, you people watch and learn on it. And I believe that if everything is free, people don't value for anything. They feel, oh, it's available always, and they neglect and they don't do anything. If we restrict, they will do something. This is the concept behind it. I hope it's clear. Is the concept right? Anyone wants to comment, can give your comments so that I will know. Okay, so from next month, I will also upload some of the videos which will not be put in the group, like some good videos, maybe just one communication, maybe 2 communications or something like this, for which maybe if you subscribe, you'll get it. Okay, this is what I wanted to convey. So we will stop the meeting now. Inshallah, we will try to meet next time with some good scenarios, inshallah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Anyone has comments, can give your comments before we end.
Thank you, Dr. Noor Fatma. Jazakumullah khair.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Fatma.
Hello. Hello, Dr. Noor.